everybody! Welcome to Rachel's Delicious Dishes. We're so glad you're joining us today. We wanted to show you how to make a fun Christmas cookie recipe that can be modified to your liking. They are cardamom soft sugar cookies. We hope you enjoy. Let's go through the ingredients. So here we have powdered sugar. This is the sugar that we're using for our sugar cookies today, so it's a little bit different. It's a cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of granulated white sugar, and about 1/8 of a cup of brown sugar here. It's all mixed in. We have 1 beaten egg, and we have 2 sticks of softened salted butter. We're going to mix all this up in our handy dandy stand mixer next. So let's get started by mixing all of our ingredients that we just went over in the stand mixer. Let's try to do that. Here we go. Butter, eggs, and lots of sugar. It's going to be pretty sweet. Here we have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. Added to that, we have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, half a teaspoon of salt. To this, we're going to add half a teaspoon of cardamom. This is a wonderful spice. It's a very strong spice. Feel free to either add to it or substitute it with another spice if you like. And over here, we've got our sugar. We're not going to add this to the mix, but this is a half a cup of granulated sugar that we're going to roll the sugar cookies in before we bake them. So now we're going to mix in our flour mixture and our spice into our creamed butter and sugar mixture. So we're going to put that all in to the stand mixer, and then we'll take out our cookies and we'll roll them in some sugar. So we've creamed together our butter and powdered sugar and granulated sugar, and this is about the consistency of soft peanut butter. So we're rolling our dough, and it's going to be about this big. We're going to take our white sugar, and we have some fun red sugar too. You could certainly use whatever color sugar, or this is also a step you can skip because they're pretty sweet already, but it makes them look fun. One of the great things about this cookie dough is you don't have to chill it, and you don't have to roll it, and you don't have to cut it. You just sort of flatten it with your hands, just like this. And then we're going to go ahead and put it on the tray. We've got some parchment paper lining our tray here. That makes cleanup a lot easier, and it also makes them come off the pan a lot more quickly. We're going to place these about 2 inches apart, and then we'll bake them at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. So our cookies are done. We have a very powerful oven, and at 350 it took 8 minutes for these to be done. And I've got my wonderful assistant here today, our wonderful son, Rogelio. Rogelio, would you like to try cookies?
Yeah. Don't mind if I do. Oh, good.
So we want to thank you for joining us today. These are really nice and really soft, and we hope that they make your holidays happy and that you have a wonderful day every day. Thanks for joining us. Bye.